Hi children, today our topic is polynomial 3 and 4 marks questions. In the last video, we discussed about 2 marks questions from polynomials. In this video, 3 and 4 marks questions from polynomials. These are all very important questions. If you prepare these questions for exams, you get good marks. See, first question, find the zeros of the polynomial root 3x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. To find the zeros of the polynomial, we need to split the middle term expansion for this question. Root 3x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. In the last video, I explained how to split the middle term, that is multiply the coefficient of x square term and constant term, that is root 3 into 4 root 3, that becomes 12, and find the factors of 12, that if you add or subtract, you should get middle term. See here, factors of 12 is 6 2 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 12 1 is 12, so many factors we can write. But if you add 6 plus 2, you get 8. So take the factors 6 and 2. Root 3x square minus 8x I am writing as minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Here root 3x is common, so x minus 2 root 3. Here minus 2 is common, x minus 2 root 3. So root 3x minus 2, x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Root 3x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 by 3. Here x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 root 3. So what is the zeros of the given polynomial? 2 by root 3 and 2 root 3. Next question. The zeros of a polynomial x square plus px plus q are twice the zeros of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x minus 6. Find the value of p. Here to find the value of p, first find the zeros of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x minus 6. Here solution. The given polynomial is x square plus px plus q and 4x square minus 5x minus 6. First to find the factors of zeros of the 4x square minus 5x minus 6. See here, multiply 4 6 24. You get same like previous questions, you get more factors like 8 3 is 24, 4 6 is 24, 6 4 is 24, so many. But here if you add or subtract, you should get middle term. 8 plus 3 11. If you add, you are not getting. If you subtract 8 minus 3, you are getting the middle term as 5x. So this is 4x square minus 8x plus 3x becomes 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here take common 4x. 4x is the common, so x minus 2 plus 3 is common, x minus 2. So 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Here x is equals to 2. So what are the zeros of the given polynomial? X is equal to minus 3 by 4 and x is equal to 2. But they mentioned like x square plus px plus q has the twice as the zeros of the 4x square minus 5x minus 6. So to find the zeros of the to find the p value, find the zeros of the x square plus px plus q, that is double the 4x square minus 5x minus 6. So double 2 into minus 3 by 4 and 2 into 2, that becomes minus 3 by 2 and 4 are the zeros of x square plus px plus q. Now find the sum of zeros. Sum of the zeros formula is minus b by a. From the equation here, minus b means minus p by 1 is equal to, add these two, minus 3 by 2 plus 4. That is minus p by 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 8 by 2. Minus p by 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiplication, minus 2p is equal to 5. P is equal to minus 5 by 2. Next question. If one zero of polynomial p of x is equal to 6x square plus 37x minus k minus 2 is reciprocal of the other. Then find the value of k. See here solution. The given polynomial 1 0 they given that 1 0 is alpha. One more 0 reciprocal. One more 0 is the reciprocal of 1 0. So reciprocal of the other 0 is 1 by alpha. If you do product of these two zeros, product of zeros is equal to alpha into 1 by alpha, that becomes 1. But they given p of x value. P of x is equal to 6x square plus 37x minus k minus 2. Compare with this ax square plus bx plus c. Then a is equal to 6, b is equal to 37, c is equal to minus of k minus 2. Find the product of zeros for this equation, that is alpha beta is equal to c by a. C value is minus of k minus 2 by a value is 6. And again minus of k minus 2 by 6 is equal to, here the product of zeros of alpha into 1 by alpha is equal to 1. So equate this to 1. Cross multiplication. Minus of k minus 2 is equal to 6 1 ja 6. Minus k, minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 6. Minus k is equal to 6 plus 2 goes to that side, that is minus 2. Minus k is equal to 4. So k is equal to minus 4. The next fourth question is, find the zeros of the polynomial 7y square minus 11 by 3y minus 2 by 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. This is very important question. You may get this type of question in the exams. See the given polynomial 7y square minus 11 by 3y minus 2 by 3. Take the LCM here. LCM is 3. Here 7. So multiply 3 with 7, that is 27y square. Here 3 is there, here 3 is there. So directly write minus 11y minus, here also 3 is there, 3 is there. So write minus 2 directly is equal to 0. So p of x value is 21y square minus 11y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now do the middle term expansion for this question. 21 into 2, 42. And again if you add or multiply, you should get middle term as 11y. See here 42 we can write as 7 6 42, 14 3 42, so many factors. Same like 14 3 42 you are getting product, and if you subtract 14 minus 3 you get 11. So write 21y square minus 14y plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here take common 7y. If you take 7y, here 3y minus 2 plus 1 is common, 3y minus 2. So 7y plus 1 is equal to 0, 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. From here 7y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 by 7. Here 3y minus 2 is equal to 0, 3y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 by 3. Now what are the zeros? 1 alpha and beta, that is minus 1 by 7 and beta is 2 by 3. Now verify the relationship means first to find the alpha beta using these two zeros, and as well as find the sum of zeros and product of zeros using the formula also. First find the alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus 1 by 7 plus 2 by 3. This is LCM is 21. Again here 7 is there. In 7 table where you get 21, that is 3. So 3 1 ja 3. Here 3. Divide 3 with 21, that is 7 ja. So and again multiply with 2. 7 2 ja 14. So minus 3 plus 14 is equal to 11 by 21. Find the alpha beta value also, that is minus 1 by 7 into 2 by 3, that becomes minus 2 by 21. And next find using sum of zeros and product of zeros using equation, that is p of x is equal to 7y square minus 11 by 3y minus 2 by 3. Now compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to 7, b is equal to minus 11 by 3, c is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. So minus of b is minus 11 by 3 by a means 7. That is equal to 11 by 3 by 7. So 11 by 21. Product of zeros is equal to C by A. So minus 2 by 3 by 7. So minus 2 by 21. This is the product of zeros. You should get same answers when you compare with normal alpha beta and this equation values. Next question. Fifth question. Quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 1 has zeros as alpha and beta. Form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. See, in this question, the given equation polynomial, given quadratic polynomial they given, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Find the alpha plus beta value and alpha beta value from the equation, that is minus b by a. Minus of b value is minus 3 by a value is 2. So that becomes 3 by 2. Alpha beta value is c by a. So c value is 1, a value is 2, 1 by 2. Now the given zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. Using this 3 alpha and 3 beta, we need to form a quadratic equation. So sum of zeros is equal to 3 alpha plus 3 beta. So 3 is the common, alpha plus beta. 3 into, we know the alpha plus beta value, that is 3 by 2. So 3 3 is 9 by 2 is the sum of the zeros. Next, find the product of zeros, that is equal to 3 alpha into 3 beta. That is 3 is the common, alpha beta. 3 into alpha beta value we know, that is 1 by 2. 3 1 is 3 by 2. To form the quadratic polynomial, we have general form of quadratic equation, that is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. K into x square minus alpha plus beta value we know 9 by 2 x plus alpha beta value 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Here 2x square minus 9x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Next, sixth question. This is same like previous question, that is alpha and beta are zeros of a quadratic polynomial px square plus qx plus 1. Form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. Given polynomial px square plus qx plus 1, write the sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. So minus q by p, and product of zeros is equal to c by a. So that is 1 by p. Now they given the zeros are 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. Sum of zeros is equal to 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta, that is equal to, take the common LCM, that is alpha beta is the LCM. Here 2 into beta plus alpha, and again 2 into alpha plus beta value we know, that is minus q by p by alpha beta value is 1 by p. P cancel, that is minus 2q is the sum of zeros. Now find the product of zeros, that is 2 by alpha into 2 by beta, that is equal to 4 by alpha beta. Now 4 into 1 by alpha beta means 4 into 1 by alpha beta value is 1 by p. It becomes 4p. The product of zeros is 4p. Now we know the general form of a quadratic polynomial, that is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Substitute alpha plus beta value here, x square minus 2q into x plus 4p is equal to 0. That is k into x square plus 2qx plus 4p is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Next, seventh question. Find the quadratic polynomial sum and product of whose zeros are minus 1 and minus 20 respectively. Also find the zeros of the polynomial so obtained. See here, the given sum of zeros is minus 1, product of zeros is minus 20. So write the quadratic polynomial using equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. x square minus alpha plus beta value already they given, that is minus 1 into x plus alpha beta is equal to minus 20 is equal to 0. That is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now to find the zeros of the polynomial, find the 21 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20. We can write 5 4 ja 20, 5 minus 4 is x. So x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Here take common x plus 5 minus 4 is common, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 5. What are the zeros of the given polynomial are 4 and minus 5. The next question is 8th question, that is find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocals of the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, a naught is equal to 0 and c naught is equal to 0. Here they given the polynomial f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a naught equal to 0 and c naught equal to 0. We don't know the zeros, so the zeros are alpha and beta. We know from the formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. And find the reciprocal zeros. So reciprocal means 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta. Sum is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Take the LCM, that is alpha beta. Here beta plus alpha. Alpha plus beta value we know, that is minus b by a by c by a. A cancel, that is minus b by c is the sum. Next find the product, that is 1 by alpha into 1 by beta, that is equal to 1 by alpha beta. 1 by alpha beta value we know, that is c by a, that becomes a by c, that is the product. Now substitute these sum and product values in the quadratic polynomial. So that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta value we know, that is minus b by c x plus alpha beta value is a by c is equal to 0. That is x square minus into minus plus b by c x plus a by c is equal to 0. LCM is c here. C into x square cx square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. Practice questions. Practice these questions in this polynomial chapter. These type of questions already I discussed in the video. First question is, if one of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3, then the value of k is what? Second question, if alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus x minus 1, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equals to what? Third question, find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 and minus 4 respectively. Next, fourth question, if the zeros of the polynomial x square plus px plus q are double in value to the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 4x minus 3, then find the value of p. Last question, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of x square minus 2x minus 8. If you practice these questions, this is more than enough for polynomials. And please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Press bell icon and share this video to everyone. Thank you.